Hello guys, welcome back. Let's go ahead and create a wall opening. Okay, let's go to modify. You can go to modify, you can just simply hit SL on your keyboard to go to split element. This is the tool. Click on it and then you can zoom in. Click here and click here and here. Hit escape twice. Click this one, edit profile, go to south elevation, open view. Click on this one, delete it, click on this one, click it, type 500, this one also, click this line and then turn it up to here and hit finish edit mode and go back to DVC level again. Click on this one, edit profile again, repeat the same thing. Zoom in, delete 500, line, finished. Click on this one, right click and hide in view elements. And let's go back to 3D view and take a look. So this is what we have now. So now let's go ahead on the DVC level. Let's create something like a ground floor. Let's click on floor. Let's just click line and sketch it. Let's say and type something like, let's say 10,000, something like that. 10,000 is much, is too much. Let's just type 6,000. Oh, come on. Let's click line. Start from here. 6,000. Click here and then let's type 6,000 here also. Something like that. Go off 6. Something like this, and here too. Type 6. Go off like this. Click here, delete it, delete, delete, and delete. Now let's click on trim, TR. Click this one and trim it, this one, and this one. Finish. Oh no. Okay, no. Click on it, edit boundary and make some changes. There are some mistakes. Let's get out of let's bring this out, the form. We don't want the floor to go inside the building, so I'm using pick line tool if you don't know. Click this one, then use TR to trim this and this, this and this. Finish. Nope. So when you click on the floor, edit type and duplicate it. Let's just call it side floor or ground floor, whatever you name you give it. Let's change thickness to maybe, let's say 50 or 20. Okay, let's go back. So now you see this is like this is our ground floor. Let's go to south elevation and see. This is like our ground level, and whatever it is down here is below the ground. So you can also go back to DPC level and take a look. Put camera. Let's go back and repeat this. On the 3D view, click on this drop down button, camera, click, put it here, and then just click and drag, and you may be able to create, you will be able to create your perspective view. So this is it. This is as simple as that. We can also select the wall. Let's go back to 3D view, select one wall and right click, select all instances in entire project, and then base offset, take it to 150. Hit enter. What is wrong? Okay, it is done. So you see the wall now is on top of the DVC. So that is just that. So this is all for this video. See you again in the next video.